Okay, so this is the question, graph the cloning. So first we got this equation in expanded form and we made it into standard form. So that is our equation. And we know, since this is our equation, that it follows this format, so we know that it is a horizontal hyperbola. And so first what we have to do is find the vertices. So what we can do is to use this equation, h plus or minus a comma k. So from looking at this, we know that this equation, that we know that our h has to be 0 and our k has to be -2 because it's a negative k. So we know that h is 0. We take the a, which is a squared equals 16, and then a equals 4. We put that, and then k, again, what I said was it was -2. So we put this into equation, plus or minus, and we got that 4, -2, and -4, -2 is our vertices. So we graph that right here. And then next what we can do is to find the asymptote. To find the asymptote, we use these equations. So we already found k. B, what we have to do is, we know that b squared equals 1. We got b equals 1. We already got a. We got x, we leave it. And then h is what we already have, which was 0. And when we put this into equation and simplify, we get that y equals 1/4 x minus 2, and that y equals -1/4 x minus 2. So we know that is our asymptote, and we can graph that. So this, you go to the -2, we put the slope, so y 1/4 x minus 2, and this one also -1/4 x minus 2. To find the center, what we do is we do hk, and we already got that from this here, and we know that it's 0, -2, and we graph that. Next, we can do the foci, which is 0 plus or minus c k, and we already find c, so find this a squared plus b squared, which is square root of 17, and k is -2. And when we simplify, we get that 4.1, -2, and -4.1, -2 is our foci, so we can graph that. So that is our graph with the asymptotes, the actual graph, the foci, and yeah, that is our graph.